Good morning, students. Yesterday, I discussed how to find out the area of a triangle whose three sides are given, how to find out the area of a triangle whose height and base is given, and I discussed how to find out the area of an equilateral triangle, and there I discussed with you how the formula to calculate the area of the equilateral triangle come. Those three things I discussed yesterday. Okay, and I had given you certain problems to solve yesterday, whether you did it or not, because I never solved any problem. Just I had given you the formula and I told you to solve it. The same problems again today I am going to give you as homework after solving those types of problem in the classwork. If you have already solved it, well and good. If you have not solved it, yes, then you solve it today, and tomorrow definitely I am going to send you the answer and how to solve it. You can check with that, and if there is any mistake, you rectify it, and if it is correct, then definitely you will be happy that you have understood the formula. Okay, so today I am going to discuss some problem based on the formula what has been discussed with you yesterday, and the details of it is already been discussed, and I hope it is clear to you. Okay, so the first problem of today: find the area of a triangle whose sides are 10 centimeter, 24 centimeter, and 26 centimeter. So a triangle, this is a triangle. His three sides are there. One side, A side, I have given the name like one side A, that is 10 centimeter. B I have taken it as 24 centimeter. C I have taken it as 26 centimeter. Okay, and now if three sides are given, you know how to find out the area of a triangle. Yesterday I told you the area of a triangle where three sides are given is root over of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. What is s? S is equal to half of the perimeter. And what is perimeter? Perimeter means sums of all the three sides of a triangle is called the perimeter, and its half is called s. So in place of s, I put the value of s, and now in place of a, value of a, in place of b, value of b, in place of c, value of c, I put it. And after doing all those things, after doing the subtraction, multiplication and all, I got this answer: 30 into 20 into 6 into 4. Now what I did here, you can find out, you know what I am telling you, the factors of this one. So I found out the factors of this one according to my methodology. What I did it, because I want the factors in pairs. So here 30 I have multiplied to 6 into 5. You can do by prime factors methods also, there is no problem. Okay, 20 I have done it 4 into 5, 6 is there 4. Now 2 6 is there, so 1 6 come out because square root sign, they are in pair. 2 5s are there, they are in pair, 1 5 will come out. 2 4s are there, they are also in pair, 1 4 will come out. Then if you multiply it, the area will come 120 centimeters. This calculation is up to you, and you know if there is anything in the square root sign, when they will come out. When there is any factors are in pair, for one pair, one will come out from the square root sign. You know that this calculation is up to you. Whatever way you want to do, you can do it. That's not a problem for me. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Yesterday I made it clear to you, the formula how to do it, and I hope it will be clear. Now the second question I am coming. Two sides of a triangle are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Two sides are given there. Please understand it very carefully. Two sides are given. One is 6 centimeter, one is 8 centimeter. If the height of the triangle corresponding to the 6 centimeter, okay, 6 centimeter corresponding to the 6 centimeter side is 4 centimeters. Find the area of the triangle and height of the triangle corresponding to 8 centimeter side. Now this is the question I am coming to solve it. Now I have drawn it here. The triangle I have given the name the triangle ABC I have given it. Two sides are given. One side I have taken 6 centimeter, one side I have taken 8 centimeter. Okay, two sides, any two sides, whichever side you want, you can take it. I have taken this side as 6 centimeter and this side as 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Now the question said height on 6 centimeter. That means the distance between this vertex to on the 6 centimeter is given there 4 centimeter. Understood? That means what is given here? Suppose this is a triangle. Once more I am going to show you here. Now this is 6 centimeter. Now they said that height on 6 centimeter, this is the height. If you draw a straight line, so that means this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. This is, they said, 4 centimeter. Okay. Now that means What you got here? In this triangle, you got the base and you got the height. If you got the base and height of a triangle, how to find out the area? All of us are knowing. Okay, area of the triangle, I have given the name. What is the triangle? ABC equal to half into base into height. Half, what is the base here? Base is 6 centimeter. What is the height here? 4 centimeter. From where you got the height? Question has given it. So easily you can find out the area of the triangle equal to half into base into height equal to 12 centimeter square. Now just I want to give an example. Suppose this is the pencil. If I found out the area of the pencil by this way, and if I want to find out the area of the pencil by this way, is both the cases the area will be the same or not? Or on the other hand, if I can explain you, if I take the weight of this pencil like this, and if it comes 10 gram, now if I change this pencil into this way, will the weight will be the same or not? Your answer will be same. Why? Because the pencil is not changing. What all materials are there in the pencil, it is same. What is changing? Only their position. One I am keeping the pencil like this, one I am keeping the pencil like this. Okay, but so that weight of the pencil will be same. Similarly, this same triangle ABC. Okay, once I found out the area by taking the height on 6 centimeter. Second case, what they said, the same triangle. Okay, they said find the height on the 8 centimeter. Height on 8 centimeter. So you have to find out AX. What I've done here? Half into base into height. Same triangle. Half into base into height. What is base here? BC. What is height here? AX. That is height everything equal to 12. Why 12 centimeter? Just now I told you, this pencil, if you take it like this or if you take it like this, both the cases the mass of the pencil will be the same or not. Here also the triangle, once I have the same triangle, nothing is been changing. Okay, only the height is changing. So the area of the triangle will be always same. So I have written here half into BC into AX. What is BC here? BC equal to base, AX height 12 centimeter, same thing will come. The value of BC is known to us. Why? Because it is on base 8 centimeter. AX is not known to me, so I put here AX. Now if you calculate it, 4AX equal to 12 centimeter. What is AX? 3 centimeter. So what is the AX means? The height. So height of the triangle is 3 centimeter. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. You please understand, everything is written here, you will be able to understand it. Now I am coming to the third questions. The base and height of a triangle are in the ratio 5:3. If the area of the triangle is 67.5 meter square, find its base. So it is again the base and height. What is the base here? To remove the ratios, and I have written here, let the base is 5x meter, and the height is 3x meter. Okay, so 5:3, so 5x and 3x I have taken it. Same thing here, base and height is given. How to find out the area? Half into base into height. What is the area given there? 67.5. Now in place of base I put the value of base, in place of height I put the value of height. Now upper one has to be multiplied with the upper one. 5 3 is 15, x into x square by 2 equal to whatever area was given there. Now 15x square, by doing the cross multiplication will you be able to find out or not? So x square equal to 67.5 into 2 by 15. If you calculate it, it will come 4.5. So x square equal to 9. You got the value of x square. What is x? Root over of 9. So x equal to 3 into 3. They are in pair. Value of x you got 3. So easily you can find out the base. What was the base? 5x means 5 into 3 equal to 15 centimeter. What is the height? 3x means 3 into 3 equal to 9 meter. Sorry, not centimeter. It was given in meters, so meter. Understood? It is clear to you. Everything is mentioned there, but it was given in ratio. Now the fourth question and last question for today. The area of an equilateral triangle. Whatever formula I had given you, all those varieties of problem I am solving it. The area of an equilateral triangle is given there. 144 root over 3 centimeters square. Find its perimeter. Find its perimeter. So area of an equilateral triangle, yesterday I will explain you, root over of 3 by 4 into side square. How it came? With the help of the formula, because equilateral triangle is a triangle whose all the sides are same. Okay, equilateral triangle is a triangle whose all the sides are same. So yesterday I explained you by the help of the formula root over of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, how this formula came. So directly I put it into the formula. Root over of 3 into 4 by 4 into side square equal, what is given there? I put it here. Now upper one has to be multiplied with upper one. Root over of 3 into side square equal to cross multiplication. 144 root 3 into 4 will come. Now side square equal to 144 root 3 into 4. By this root 3 will come down, root 3 cancel. So side square equal to 144 into 4 comes. So side equal to root over of 144 into 4. So side equal to 144 means 12 into 12, and 4 equal to 2 into 2, only in pair. So this for this one will come out, for this one will come out. So side equal to 24 centimeter or not. Now it is what type of triangle? It is an equilateral triangle. And you know what is equilateral triangle? Yesterday I explained you. Equilateral triangles are those triangles which all three sides are equal. So if one side is 24 centimeter, then definitely this will also 24 centimeter. This will also be 24 centimeter. So in equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal and all the angles are also 60 degree. I am not going in the angle part. When it will come, I will tell you. I am talking about the sides now. So perimeter of a triangle, I told you, side plus side plus side. Side plus side, if you add all those sides, 24 plus 24 by 20, it will come 722 centimeter. So what you noticed here, whatever three formulas yesterday discussed, with the help of those three formulas, different kinds of problems I solved. And on the basis of that, I had given you three homeworks. Same formula. Please apply it. Yesterday only it was given to you. Okay. If you have done it well and good. If you have not done it, I have already solved the problem. You must see what way I have solved it. And with the same methodology, you try to solve yourself. Okay. Tomorrow definitely I'll solve it and send it to you. You can check it whether your answer is correct or not, wherever you made the mistakes. And if you have any doubt, like every day I am telling you, don't hesitate to call me between 8 to 2 p.m. You must call me, and if you have any doubt, any fire, please clear it. Thank you so much.